How to fix the Facebook verification code not received. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are having troubles with your Facebook verification code not received or not sending, here is how you can fix it. So, to start up with, open the device settings on your device. After that, scroll down a bit in order to search for the apps. Once you tap on apps, you will see different options. Tap on see all applications and then search for Facebook using the search icon on the top. Once you tap on the Facebook option, you will land to this interface. Tap on permissions and ensure all the necessary permissions such as phone and contacts has been given and allowed. Once you confirm it, head back to the previous page again and then from the search bar type in Messages app. Once you tap in Messages application, again tap on Permissions and ensure and allow all necessary permissions for incoming SMS messages that are not blocked. Now that you have made this necessary changes, you can reopen the Facebook app and tap on Send Code or equivalent option again. This is to request a new SMS verification code. While doing so, you also have to check your network connectivity to ensure stable internet or mobile service. However, if problem persists, contact the Facebook support for further assistance. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.